Alrighty, today we are doing Chapter 3, Lesson 10, getting ready for our test tomorrow. You guys are Division Pros, so I'm not even worried about it. Today, it's called Quotients with Zero. So that just means that at some point in time while you are doing your division, your divisor is not going to be able to go into your dividend at all. 2 cannot go into 1. You've already brought that 1 down. We have to still create the step process that we've been working on. So 2 can't go into 1, so up here we would put a 0. 2 goes into 1 0 times. Repeat the process. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then bring down the next digit. 2 can now go into 15, etc. So it's just saying that at some point our divisor cannot go into our dividend at all. So we have to put a 0 up here. We can't just move on and say 47 remainder 1. It has to be 407 remainder 1. Okay, so let's flip the page, and we're going to do number 5, similar to yesterday's that I did with you, but that's okay. So the art teacher asked her students to cut out apples from construction paper. 5 apples can be cut from each sheet of paper, so 5 is important. If she needs 1,045 apples, how many sheets of paper does she need? Write an equation to find the unknown, then find the unknown. Remember, the unknown is just a letter that replaces a blank or a number in the equation. Okay, it's just adding a letter instead of a blank. So, write an equation. So we have 1,045 apples divided by 5 pieces of paper, sheets of paper. Okay, equals, and today let's use A. Okay. Blank equals what? Equals A. A stands for, let's solve it. What does A equal? Okay, so let's do 1,045 divided by 5. 5 cannot go into 1, so there's going to be nothing above this 1. 5 can go into 10 though. Don't let that comma fool you. Okay, it still stands for 10 here. So 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. We're good there. 0 is smaller than 5. B, bring down our 4. Okay, here is where we get into quotients with 0. Can 5 go into 4? No, it cannot. So 5 goes into 4 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. Not 5. 0 times 5 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. B, bring down our next digit, which is a 5. Okay? 5 can go into 45 9 times. 9 times 5 is 45. No remainder at all. Okay? So, in this equation, A equals 209. And let's see, 209 sheets of paper. Okay? Alright, number 6, I'm not going to do it for you, but we're going to talk about it for a second. So you need to be solving each one of these. So do your work underneath each one. Decide which one does not belong with the others. I think that there will be something in the process that doesn't match, or the answers don't match. Maybe they have different amounts of digits. Maybe you had to use quotients with 0 process in it. Maybe the answers for 3 of them have a 0 in it and 1 doesn't. Okay, so you need to find which one does not belong here and circle the one that doesn't belong. But that means you have to solve for all 3 of them, or all 4 of them. All right, you guys got this. Good luck.